Hey guys. Sorry for that monstrous laugh. This is Parth from PD Artography. Welcome to my brand new tutorial on the brand new concept of the Great Joker. This tutorial is about making you look like the Joker, obviously without makeup, using Photoshop. Please hit the like button if you enjoy it and if you find something new. Here I am using the latest version of Photoshop 2019. A short disclaimer for the one who are new to Photoshop and editing. I would suggest you to slow down the playback speed of this video because I am going to be a bit faster. So without any further ado, let's begin. Begin with size of 8 by 10 inches. Import the background photo to the document. Now import the subject to the document which I have already extracted. In case if you don't know how to cut out the subject from the background, watch my video. I will leave the link in the description box below. Now in order to brighten the face and make it white as the Joker, try some adjustment layers like exposure, brightness and contrast, and solid color. And mask out your face or the part on which you want to apply the adjustments. Now comes the devil smile. Import and adjust it on your lips as per need and set the blending mode to multiply. And this Joker did some blue makeup above and below his eyes. I had a PNG for that. You can simply make it using brush tool also. And then I copied the Joker lips layer for the other side which I forgot before. Then comes the dark circles or the black makeup around the eyes. Set it to multiply. To give it some realistic look I used blend if. To add some wrinkles on the face I used the image of Joker itself for several times. You can use any image. And then to color the hairs I used hue and saturation adjustment layer and blend if. For nose I tried many ways, but at last I again used the same image of Joker and use his nose by adjusting it onto my nose. Adding blue eyes wasn't a Joker concept, but I thought it would give some dramatic look to the photo as my pose wasn't that good. Now you all would be wondering from where the hell the t-shirt became that weird. Actually, that was a failed plan which I went with thinking that it will look good after applying some filters. But it was looking very bad. So I finally gave up on that, and removed it and then added more filters and gradient map adjustment layer. And finally my favorite Analog Effects Pro from Nick collection. That's it for today, guys. Goodbye. To get notified every time I post a video, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video.